Hey, this is Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our Polaris 900 XP. This is a beast that is made to get you to the duck hole and back at the end of the day. It's equipped with our 3-inch lift kit to give you the ground clearance to make sure you make it to the blind. It's also equipped with our front winch bumper, 4,500-pound synthetic rope winch, and integrated LED lights to make sure you can see your way to the blind before dawn and make sure that you can pull yourself out if you happen to get stuck. It's also equipped with a Rough Country front scratch-resistant windshield to keep that cold morning air off of you. We've got our 50-inch single-row light bar to light your way and our modular roof to keep you out of the elements. Labrador not included. Coming around to the back, we've got the Rough Country utility rack with our decoy mounts and our integrated gun rack. And finally, bringing up the rear is the Rough Country rear LED bumper to make sure that when you're backing up in the woods, you've got a clear line of sight and you're gonna get to where you need to go. With Rough Country accessories on your UTV this hunting season, you're guaranteed to make a splash.